Hello, today I'll explain the Slicer Selector app I wrote. I saw it on YouTube before, but the creator didn't share the code. I'll share it in the comments or the app itself. I'll show you how to do it now. You can edit this code yourself, creating your own slicer selector by adding your slices here. The top ones are Bamboo Studio, Reality Print, etc. Below are their application folder paths. At the bottom, there's code for how to open them. The app actually works in a very simple way. When you click a .3 MF file, a selector pops up. It opens and imports the app you choose. As you saw, I opened it with Bamboo Studio earlier. Now I can easily open the same file with Creality Print with all profiles intact. It's transferred inside. You can use it for STL files too. As you can see, Selector works and Bamboo Studio is opening now. First, from the app you compiled or the one I shared, we need to change default settings for STL and trimf files. Right-click to access these menus. Though not listed as supported, you can select Slicer Selector this way. If you change all, it'll work for all your 3 MF and STL files. Now I'll briefly show you how to make this file yourself. We open the script editor and click New Document. I opened it this way because it's already there. We need to save this ourselves. There's an issue here when saving a script because it's already present. I'll save as. I'm saving it as an application under Applications. As you see, Slicer Selector appears there. I'm not saving now. You can create your own Slicer Selector this way. This was a short video. To support me, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a great day, everyone.